Stella! Stella! Charger! Charger! Come here, buddy. Get into the light. There's your pretty boy. Brindle puppy, going to be huge. Charger! Stella! Where's Dobie? Look at you guys. Hercules! 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 He's like, leave me alone right now. There is bubbles coming up out of the bottom of this pool. Nala. And Nala is totally antagonizing Titan with the ball. Nala, stop! Give him back his ball.